special assistant to me, Captain Castro, that there's a complaint from Ms. Bernadette Stern against me.
Last week, former port marketing manager Bernadette Stern Meno filed a complaint against Police Chief Fred Bordallo with the AG's office, accusing the top brass of official misconduct, obstructing governmental functions, and hindering apprehension or prosecution. AG's office spokesperson Carlina Charfris confirms Meno filed the complaint and says the matter is under investigation, so no further comment can be made at this time.
I have no idea of the details of the complaint, and Captain Castro's delivered that complaint over to Chief of Staff Frank Ariola.
According to the governor's office, the matter was referred to the Guam Police Review Commission. The complaint against Bordallo stems from an August records tampering complaint Meno filed against a port safety officer. Meno alleges that Bordallo blocked the case from moving forward and hints to a cover-up by police management. While he claimed having no knowledge of the complaint details, the top brass outright denies ever providing any confidential documents to the, which was spelled out in Meno's complaint.
Mike Phillips is my cousin, but I have over 300 some cousins on this island, and no, I've never delivered any document or whatever Ms. Bernadette Stern is alleging I did in terms of her complaint.
Bordallo says he is familiar with Meno from news stories, as she was fired from the port for allegedly illegally receiving workers' compensation for a work-related injury in September 2011. She's currently appealing her termination with the Civil Service Commission that is scheduled to hear the merits of her case in the next few months.
I think with this sort of complaint she's making, you know, any individual who's in trouble with an investigation, you know, would try to make these kind of complaints just to, you know, distract attention away from the investigation that's against her.
The chief maintains he's never had any involvement with any investigation related to Meno or the port. And while the probe continues, Bordallo believes he's done nothing wrong.
I'm sure that the Port Authority people handled that properly and appropriately. And anything criminal, that's with the Guam Attorney General's office that I'm thinking it should already be there, you know, if there's anything criminal in nature.
And the AG's office confirms there is an ongoing investigation into the port controversy. Charfra is telling KUAM the probe has been ongoing for at least a year and was previously handled by Assistant AG Nelson Warner and had to be reassigned. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.